This is baby Tiger. I met him when he was living on the streets as a little stray kitty, and now he lives with me, Melanie. This is the chicken I'm cooking. It's just plain boiled chicken. Just some plain chicken because it's not, oh, it's steaming up, sorry. Hold on. It's time for the next adventure. Pack your cyber bags and let's go. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel, food, and fun. Had a bit of a rough go lately. I think his tummy has been upset for some reason. We took him to the doctor. He had eye issues again. Anyways, he's all good. But I noticed that he's eating his plant extra, which means that, love, oh, there he goes. It means that his tummy is probably a little upset, and I haven't really seen him eating his food like normal. Anyway, so I'm making him some boiled chicken, and his new bag came, and he's loving it. I also got him shrimp as well. But because his tummy's not feeling well, I'm gonna save the shrimp for tomorrow. Oh, it's like Tiffany blue, kind of nice. Fancy baby. So this is the chicken I'm cooking. It's just plain boiled chicken. And apparently when cats are not really eating their food, it's good to give them just some plain chicken because it's not, oh, it's steaming up, sorry. Hold on. It's not too rich, and it's tasty for them. So hopefully he likes it. Don't even think about it. Hun, it's all for you, honey. You don't have to worry. He's stressing for nothing. It's all for you. Oh my Lord. Babe. I feel like I'm in an abusive relationship. Bunny, stop. Ow. Oh, he's gonna like rip my freaking arteries. Jeez, babe. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh my Lord. Babe. Just chill, okay? No. Yeah, I think it is cooked okay. Oh my God, this guy. Babe. He's acting like I never feed him. Well, I'm glad he's hungry. That's a good sign. All right, let's try. Oh, babe, come on. Can you get down? There's not enough space here. Get down. So I'm not feeding you up here. Ah! Okay, it's a little bit warm, but I think it is cooked. Yeah, it is. It's falling apart. That's how you know if chicken's cooked. It's like, pulls apart. Okay, this might be a bit hot, love. Okay, well, I'm glad to see he's eating. Little rascal. Okay, he likes it. I'm happy. Okay, Bubs. Just chill. Give him some more. It's a little bit hot right now. He knows sometimes I feed him when he's on here. Babe, you're making me look bad. I'm worried it's hot for him. I usually like to hand feed him when I make him special treats. He's gonna attack me now. Oh my gosh. So I think he thinks he's gonna get more if he goes on this. So he does know how to be trained. I just don't know how to like make it work in my favor. Okay, wait there, love. So I've drained it and now I'm just gonna chop it up. Sorry, the steam. Seriously, look, he went over there. He's like, okay, I'm in this spot. I'm doing good. Can you hurry up, ma'am? Trying to cut this up. It's nice and tender for him. I think it's actually cooked perfectly. The good thing about this is if you boil it, it doesn't make it so dry and it doesn't have any crispy bits, because I know that the crispy bits are not good for animals. I think maybe not for people either, but I like them. Okay, boy. Is it too hot, love? Okay, go, love. I think he doesn't like that bit. Oh, you're so spoiled. That's so funny. So many stray animals here. Like all over the place. It's so sad. I wish I could help them all, but I do try to keep cat and dog food in my purse. I don't leave my house much, but when I do, I try my best to try to help feed like at least one animal. So if you can do it, help them. I feel so bad. I wish I could keep them all. Somebody asked me yesterday if I can take 2 more cats. I was like, I would love to. I would actually love to have a friend for baby, but I don't feel that I'm in the position because I'm not, like, I don't really live here. So it's kind of like, I don't want to abandon them if I have to leave. And I just don't think that I have like the means to like transport. You know, I was talking to somebody at the vet the other day and they were like, you know, we have so many rescues that we would have to get like a private jet to take them all with us. So I'm like, yeah, maybe next year. Help the animals. And babe, what are you doing? What are you doing? I think he's checking like if it's something better than what I gave him. He's acting silly with it. He like did this weird karate chop and got it out of my hands and started chasing it around. What do you do, babe? So I've got a few different portions. I have a little bit extra, put a little bit more on his dish. I think I'm gonna see if I can find the other animals that I know around here. There's a couple, and let's see if we run into any. We had so much food. We're gonna give this, see if there's another kitty or a doggy that wants it. Okay, my love? Babe, you can't come, unfortunately. Sorry, love. I do know this kitty. Hi, I think he must live here, but I feed him sometimes. Okay, we'll give him a little bit and then we'll save some for Starlight if he's here. Is it yummy? I might be back. Is it yummy? Oh, it reminds me of the kitties that I used to feed in Chengdu. Oh, little doll. Okay, give him a little bit more. Okay, enjoy. I was almost gonna get the food away and I think he literally heard my brain because this is Starlight. Hi, honey. That's for you, love. This is my favorite stray dog and I don't know why I feel like his name is Starlight. He's never told me that, or maybe he did. Anyways, he's such a sweetie. Yeah, this cat and this dog, they live around here and I think people do take care of them, but like obviously not as much as I'm able to take care of baby. Anyways, have a good night, Starlight. Nice to see you. Bye, love. What do you have to say to everyone? Don't forget the doggies. I'm actually a bit scared of dogs, I'm not gonna lie. Someone else brought him some food. So sweet. Do you feed him all the time? Yeah. Yeah, aw, nice. And the dog has started coming over. Him? Yeah. He's so sweet. Oh, so nice. Yeah, awesome. Well, enjoy. Yeah, so there's another girl that was just there and she also feeds the dog and the cat too, so it's like kind of like a community thing in Bali. It works a little bit different than other places, I guess, just because of the sheer number of like stray cats and dogs. Anyways, team effort. Hey babe, you don't mind that I feed the other cats, right? That's how I met you. Do you like this? He's like an astronaut. Hi, Bubba. I'm just doing the dishes, but I have to show you. This is what he does sometimes. He's like, ma'am, what are you doing? Hi, Bubs. Okay, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and don't forget to feed the animals. Bye!